Welcome to our quick guide on reporting someone on Instagram, updated for 2026. If you've encountered harassment, impersonation, or other policy violations, reporting helps keep the community safer. Here's a clear, step-by-step walkthrough you can follow right from the app. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to use for the report. Locate the profile of the account you want to report. This can be done by searching for their username or tapping through a post or comment to reach their profile. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the profile page. This opens a small menu with several options. From there, select Report. You'll be presented with a few guided choices to specify what's happening. Tap on Report Account. This narrows the issue to a user account rather than a post or message. Instagram will then ask you to choose a reason for reporting. Options typically include things like harassment, hate speech, impersonation, or sharing inappropriate content. Select the reason that best fits the situation. Next, choose a more specific reason if prompted. For example, if you chose harassment, you might see subcategories like DMs or comments. Selecting the most accurate option helps the platform review the case more efficiently. After you pick a reason, follow the on-screen prompts to continue the process. This may include providing additional details or attaching a screenshot to support your report. Add anything relevant, but avoid sharing personal information you don't want exposed. Review the information you've provided before submitting. Instagram may show a summary of your report and remind you that it will be reviewed by their team. Once you're satisfied with the details, confirm to submit. The system will then begin its review, and you'll typically see a notification about the status or outcome as they assess the report. In some cases, Instagram may reach out for more information or request that you block or mute the account while the review is ongoing. If you're experiencing ongoing or imminent danger, consider contacting local authorities in addition to submitting the report. A few extra tips to keep in mind. Only report when you have a legitimate concern that violates Instagram's guidelines. False reporting can have consequences for your own account. If you're unsure whether something qualifies, you can review Instagram's community guidelines within the app for clarity. If you've reported and the situation changes, you can update the report or seek further actions like blocking the account. That's the streamlined process for reporting an account on Instagram with the latest steps.